If you're dealing with a black screen on your Dell laptop, don't worry, you're not alone. And most importantly, this problem can be usually fixed. Whether your screen stays black on boot up or turns off randomly, in today's video, I'll walk you through the top troubleshooting steps. The first thing we want to check is whether your laptop is even receiving any power. A common cause of a black screen can simply be a power issue. Make sure your charger is plugged in properly, both to the laptop and the wall outlet. Also check if the power light on the laptop is turning on. Now, if your laptop is on but you're still seeing a black screen, there may be a problem with the display. Let's check to see if the issue is with the screen or something else. Try connecting your laptop to an external monitor or TV using an HDMI or a VGA cable. If you see the display working on the external monitor, then the issue is likely with your laptop screen or internal display connection. If the external monitor works, it might mean your laptop screen is faulty. Sometimes a black screen can be caused by the screen brightness being set too low, making it look like the laptop is off. So make sure you are pressing these F2 keys or F3 keys for brightness. If the screen was too dim, this should help you see something again. Another step is to run Dell's built-in diagnostic tool, which can help you identify any hardware issues causing the black screen. Restart your laptop and press F12 repeatedly as soon as it turns on. This will bring up the boot menu where you can select diagnostics. Let the tool run through its test and it will check things like your RAM, motherboard and display. Follow the on-screen instructions, and if any issues are detected, Dell's diagnostic tool will give you a report that can guide your next step. And lastly, simply contact Dell support. So there you have it. Those are the top steps to fix a black screen on your Dell laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.